All right, standard operating procedure SOP for wall-only paint. We tape all the baseboards. I don't care how badass you think you are at cutting, but whenever the rolling goes down, you can obviously see we don't want drips everywhere. We drop cloth everywhere. Obviously, if the floor is getting replaced, not a big deal, but 2 9-foot drop cloths. Leapfrogging, you always have the fabric side up, and don't drag the dirty side or flip it around or let dirty side touch clean side. All trim gets taped for cut lines. If your tape isn't sticking, or if the baseboards are dusty, you at minimum need to sweep the top of it off. The next step is to clean it with TSP. We're not talking like scrubbing it, but TSP will make it very not greasy or whatever the problem is. It's kind of a degreaser. The other thing is this line should always be showing just a teensy bit of trim. If you put this tape up here, we come around and paint that and take that off, we're gonna have a line of the old wall paint. This house is same color, or sort of the same color. On top the same color, so it's critical that you do that so we're not coming back to back cut the whole house because of crappy tape job. But whoever did this line did a good job. There's just a little bit of trim, and we're resetting that line. Other things, all face plates come off, all blinds come off. Wall things like the AC, you can just cut around. Doorbell chimes, you can easily just take this off and snap it back on. I call these like high visibility door casing. We'll tape those as well. The tops, obviously, you don't need to. And then these would be considered no visibility door sides, which you can just cut that. If you're a freaking super badass and you don't need to tape door jambs, then, but there's just no substitute for taping as far as getting straight cut lines. This particular house is pretty forgiving because it's like essentially white on white, but you're doing it gray walls. It's pretty critical with the taping, whether the job's gonna take 2 days or freaking 4 days. You know, obviously hand cut the ceiling. This house is getting its carpet replaced, and so we don't really care about that, but the wood floors tile is all staying. And that is how the only way we do interior wall only paint. This is wall only, so that's it.